Hello, we will continue with file synchronization. This time, we would like to be able to transfer files between different computers. Again, I will be using two browsers to simulate that kind of thing. At some point, we can have multiple computers as well, but I need some kind of a remote connection to do the actual thing. And I know that the system will work between multiple computers if this simulation is realistic enough. Now we have this file test, and maybe this is the um, computer one. Okay, let's save the file, and this is the computer two. Let's save the file, and this is the home. And if I click, I can see the computer one's file. Now, what I want to do, okay, be able to click. ah I am not able to do right click here. I don't know why. Its browser's behavior is kind of strange, but I want to be able to do right click here. And so I have to take this JavaScript file, be able to add right hand menu. Maybe let's start with giving these two files will be sufficient. Start with ChatGPT, and also this is the ID, and keep in mind this. I would like to, I think it's processing. Okay, so I don't want it to write any code for me right now. I just want it to get the context first. And now this is the context. What I would like to say, allow me to have right click on the files for copy paste operations. Now I will I don't expect this is changing any code for me. I just want it keep in mind. Okay, now I will allow users to change to copy paste files from multiple computers. User interface copy paste appears once user do right click. Okay, I think it edits this HTML into the HTML, and let's try what it brings us. And let's refresh the page and try right click. Doesn't allow me. I think JavaScript need to be updated as well. So let's see. Yeah, I think I need the JavaScript. Create the JavaScript code as well for me. Um, let's copy this. It doesn't allow me easy copy. Okay, here it's the easy copy, and we can see the changes in Git. Oh, it should be repository. I don't know why it doesn't show it over there, but it's a repository actually. So yeah, these are adding new functions. A context menu is this right click operation. Once it's click, context menu display none, and this show copy model, show hide model. So this I think I can add into the bottom of these things here, so that the context menu will be appearing accordingly. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't seem very nice. Okay, maybe let's think about another way. This seems more complicated than I thought. Let's simplify. So um, let's add a, okay, let's simplify by Control S button that takes file into memory, and once pasted sends a file message to peer. So let's do that way. So we can use Control as, yeah, I don't want to that kind of. Okay, let's see, is there any key? Yeah, this is the document I want, this one. Yes, so this is the Control S or Control V, that's network send. Yes, and on data, if they receive from the peer, that's what we want. Yes, data network on data. Let's see, where was it? So we have the peer on data function already, right? Peer ls command files, this is list files on data, network on data, it's here already. So it should be a command. We are using the command here. So if data command is paste. Okay, now what we want to do is something similar to here. Save files. Yeah, it's save files and received file. That's what, yeah, I wanted. Paste operation is coming like that. So let's go to the Control S. This is the current file that we want, right? And then log console, that is what we want. Log to console, yeah, it exists. It exists, a function like that. Now copy buffer, it is the copy buffer, but where do we define the copy buffer is above. So it's the copy buffer. Let's keep it here. Then I think that should work right now. Let's see. So this is computer 1 and the Firefox is the computer 2. So I'm doing Control S, copied, right? And then oh, where is the computer above? I lost that one. So let's do this back index HTML. I think it was showing before. The system has lost it. So this is computer 1, this is computer 2, and copying this, Control S. I think I will use Control C instead of, yeah, and then Control V, that will send. And if I look at the files, okay, this is the test2. Computer, yeah, it sent the file, but did it receive in the other end? I think there is some problem maybe still. uh, we expect this to see that kind of message, right? Comment is paste. Because we are not sending correct comment. Network sent to peer file JSON. It's not like that. It should be comment sending. How we are sending comment is the thing here. It should be sent like this, and then we need to adjust accordingly here how we are sending it. Here, that's what we want to do. Command send peer id, this is paste, and I want to use control c, control v, that's what we want. And then peer id, that's the thing, but we want to also send the data, right? The data is the copy buffer. Okay, file is copy buffer is also fine. And once we receive the message, it's coming like paste, and the file is the file, and the file content, yeah, that's okay. I think file name and content, and then save files. Let's see. And one thing is, we will observe here is the file names are the same, right? How do we name these files? I think it's not that easy. Okay, let's create another file without computer1 txt. Let's say this is the computer1 txt. Control C, computer1 txt, copy it to buffer, and then once we go into that, we send control V, computer1, control V. No, I'm trying it and it's not working. And let's see if there is any error. Yeah, peer is not defined. Okay, peer is not defined. How do we define the peer in the other one? Peer, for each peer it's sending it. So we have to have some kind of peer selection, and the current peer is updated, right? How do we update the current peer? Based on the selection on top as a tab element. We have different tab elements selecting the current peer, so we have to do some kind of selection over there. So what was the event here? I don't remember the event. But I can consider the computers tab was the thing that is manipulated over there, right? On click callback, create top path button, and load files. Yeah, that is what is the thing. So this is the peer network ID, create tab button, and having itself the peer load files, and then JSON. Yeah, this is load files, create tab button, and yeah, this is the peer, get connected peers. For each peer, clicked on peer, and here is the thing, right? For each of them we have some kind of peer selection. Current peer is, maybe we could keep it like that, current peer equal to peer, and we should make this also variable available, let current peer equal to now. And then coming to the bottom again, so this peer needs to be some kind of current peer, and for each is not necessary. Yeah. For each, we will not do for each, only for the current peer we will do that. Now, okay, let's try this again. So this is a new system. I don't know why we have so many peers though. Okay, so here one, here the other one, right? Now let's say select with this one, Control C, copy it, and switch to this one and Control V, send, and then maybe I need to refresh the page, and this other file comes. I don't know what will happen. What will happen if I just use the same name? Let's try. Control. I don't want to do the same. Saving is here. Maybe I should make it Control S over there as well. Control C copies this file, and Control V, and then computer.txt, and yeah, it synchronizes the file. That's working. Thank you.